Hey guys, YouTube guys, I did something very normal. I take it off this motor, the whole frame, without the elevator. I'm gonna show the guys what I did for I can get this all this thing, you know. First I have to I took all the parts for the motor here. I took all the parts for the motor until the motor becomes so level race we can pass underneath the car here, because I couldn't lift the car very much.
So let's check
And
this.
We did like disconnect all the things, disconnect the brake line, disconnect the line from the transmission fluid, and we disconnected the rear. We had to disconnect the rear wire for the brakes from the ADS gear,
The rear,
and take it off some wiring, all the wiring from the motor. The wiring go here. You have to disconnect this little locks here, or take the wiring out so the motor can go down. Then the last one we took the 6 volt, is a 3 here and 3 there, and hold the motor. Then we put everything in these 2 jacks. This jack here, this another jack here in the back.
yes.
Start put the motor down until it can pass through to this the car. And the last time we had to take the bumper out, because the bumper was hitting here. We don't let this thing come out. And also we had to lift the car this much here. I think let me measure so the guys know how much you have to lift.
And with this specific vehicle, you don't have to drop just the motor. It can stay attached to the brace for the frame and rolled out that way, which is a lot easier.
That's what we have to lift. I lifted here about 23 inches. 23 inches. Then I have to take this flash out here for the jack. The jack can hold very well here, because it has a flash here like the GPL flash. It's don't let the thing stay here, because you have to have a space where the frame can come out. And also, yeah, underneath here, I took it off the drive shaft, and I have to take the support for the parking brake, because it was holding the frame. And nobody says this is possible, because you're supposed to have an elevator or lift the car. But if you guys put this two stand 20 inches, it's possible the frame go underneath the motor.
Just be very careful though.
That's
Big
what
jack
I
stands,
did.
of course. So
Yeah, I took the transmission out, but I should keep the transmission here for the more being level. I took out just in case for the more easy, but I could leave the transmission here. I'm gonna put it back with the transmission.
I thought it was pretty fascinating that it can stay attached and rolled out that way, which is way easier than your typical just dropping a motor.
Okay guys, thank you for watching. Have a good day.
Bye.
Bye.